you're also going to learn cleansing techniques that are going to take your skin to another level. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. This video is about how to use Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. It's for normal to dry skin. It has 3 essential ceramides, amino acid and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps a lot to hydrate the skin, and it also has amino acid which helps to attract and hold moisture for your skin. In this video, you're also going to learn cleansing techniques that are going to take your skin to another level. Remember, skincare starts with cleanser. If you don't get it right from the start, you're not going to get that glowy, dewy skin you might be looking for. So, hello. I always feel like skincare is not just about skincare. It's about relationship that you have with your skin in so many ways, and also with yourself. The first step you always need before using any skincare product, before using Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser, is washing your hands. Washing your hands is one game changer. Our hands sometimes carry a lot of bacteria, so you don't want to take all the bacteria and put it on your face. Is clean your hands. Make sure you clean your hands before you start doing any skincare routine. A lot of people ignore this step, but it's very, very, very important. After cleaning your hands, you want to wet your face with the lukewarm water. There are so many various methods you can use a cleanser with. So the first method is taking a cloth. When you take it in lukewarm water, then you on the cloth, then you gently massage it on your skin. The other method of using a cleanser is using your hands. So you want to make sure that your face is wet. Take your cleanser, put your cleanser on your hands. You can see how much I love this product, or you can see the relationship I have with this product. Look, it's nearly gone. I'm using this product. You can use this product in the morning. So you lather it in your hands. Baby girl, sweetheart, lovely, you want to make sure you lather these products in your hands because you want to use this form. This is how dermatologists out here are advising people to use the cleanser correctly. So, lather it in your hands. You want to gently massage it in your skin for 60 seconds. Massaging this cleanser in your skin for 60 seconds makes the cleanser to work really, really, really good. Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser, very cream texture that makes it very, very hydrating. After cleansing your skin for 60 seconds, if you feel like you are in a need of adding a product, don't add a product. What you have in your hands, it's enough. What you're going to do, instead of adding a product in your skin again, you have enough product already. Instead, add more water. By adding more water in your skin, or by adding more water in your skin, it makes it to form more. So this will help you a lot not to waste a lot of product, and you also want to extend it in your neck. I feel like right now a lot of things are very expensive out here. You don't want to waste that product. After massaging this Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser in your skin for 60 seconds, then you want to go ahead, rinse this product out. Cleansers are supposed to help you get rid of the dirt, rid of the makeup. You don't want to leave this product in your skin. If you leave this product in your skin, it can cause irritation, and you don't want that in your skin. So you want to go and rinse it off. You need to be very gentle with your skin, as skincare is a form of self-love and a form of self-care, so you have to be nice to your skin. The rinsing of your skin, you want to pat dry. This is how this Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser leaves my skin. My skin feels so clean, and my skin is not dry at all. So as you can see, I feel my skin is very hydrated. My skin is not dry even if I touch it like this. So you know those cleanser, the other cleanser that when you use, they stripped out your skin oil. So this one will protect your skin natural barrier so it doesn't dry your skin. It is a cream to form. So the cream in it, I think, makes your skin also very, very, very not dry, and the presence of amino acid, hyaluronic acid will help to hold that moisture in your skin. So this Cerave hydrating to foam cleanser, it's more than a cleanser. It's very gentle to the skin. It leaves a soothing, gentle to the skin. I feel like hugging my skin at the moment because I feel like my skin is very, very, very clean, very nice, very hydrated. So if you're looking for a cleanser that will leave your skin not dry but hydrated, this cleanser, go for this cleanser. Cerave has so many variety of cleanser. They have, if you have acne, if you have hyperpigmentation, all that, they have all those cleansers, so you can try them out. You can check on their website. They are just amazing. They have some amazing products. I always feel like we do underestimate the connection that we normally have with our skin. It's not all just about appearance. It's about self-care. It's about being confident. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and also allowing your inner beauty to shine. So to lock in all the moisture that I've gotten, all the hydration that I've gotten from Cerave hydrating cream to foam cleanser, I always love to use thermal spring water. This helps to further hydrate the skin. So skin normally feels so dry during autumn and winter. I feel like thermal spring water helps my skin hydrate my skin. Then I go in with toner. There are so many toners, also helps with hydration. There are so many toners out there. I'm going to use this numbezin full calming herb toner. I love this toner. This toner leaves my skin very, very calm. And you can use a cotton pad to apply your toner, or you can just use your hands that way. So after applying the toner, because I feel like I need to exfoliate my skin is feeling very sensitive at this time of the month. It's very sensitive, and you can see this coming out, and I also still have a lot of some pimples and rashes coming out. I need to use this Paula's Choice 2% BHA to exfoliate my skin. I'm falling in love with chemical exfoliant. I used to use physical exfoliant on my skin. Physical exfoliants are the scrubs that a lot of dermatologists out there are advising people to use chemical exfoliant at the moment. Chemical exfoliants helps a lot. You don't need to actually rinse them out, so you leave them in your skin. So this Paula's Choice 2% BHA targets if you have clogged pores, if you have uneven skin tone, and if you have post-acne scars, you can also use it. So I love using this maybe twice a week. They say you can, on their website, they say you can use this Paula's Choice 2% BHA in the morning and in the afternoon. And I honestly don't do that. I just exfoliate twice a week, because exfoliating my skin each and every day can make my skin very sensitive. So I exfoliate just twice. I'll exfoliate just twice or twice a week. After exfoliating your skin, you want to make sure that you leave this Paula's Choice 2% BHA on your skin for some few minutes before you go in with the other skincare. You can leave it like this, but I always feel like sometimes it makes my skin so dry. So I follow it with my other skincare. I follow it with my other skincare product. Product has salicylic acid. So if you have acne, scars, it's very good for unclogging your pores. I've just left Paula's Choice 2% BHA on my skin for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to apply this Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. Korean skincare products are very hydrating. If this is your sign maybe to invest in Korean skincare products, they're just so amazing. So this product has nail secretion, which helps to further hydrate the skin. I feel like my skin really needs the hydration. Autumn, my skin feels so dry most of the times. My skin changes with season. I always feel so connected with my skin while doing my skincare. This is something I've done for a long period of time. I started taking care of my skin when I was a teenager, and my skin has become so nice. I used to have very bad acne, and a lot of people who knows me will actually say it was so bad. Then when I started taking care of my skin, and by the time I had acne, my skin, I didn't have a lot of confidence. My skin, it went with my confidence. But after taking care of my skin has improved, and I'm really loving the confidence that comes with my skin. My soothing eye balm. Skin still feels so very hydrated. The thing is, I started with hydrating cleanser. So I started with hydrating cleanser, and I make sure that I go in with each and every hydrating product. So if you are somebody who looking to have hydrating skin, glowy skin, you need to as much as you're using the cleanser, you also need to follow it with other hydrating product. So because my skin is very dry at the moment, I'm going to use this Cerave moisturizing cream. I love this cream. It's for dry to very dry skin. It helps me a lot, especially on those times that my skin is very dry. So you don't need a lot of it, you just use a little bit of it on your skin. And now by using moisturizer, you have locked in the moisture in your skin. Always remember, skincare is about consistency. You need to be consistent. Skincare is about consistency. So you want to make sure that you are doing your morning skincare, you're doing your night skincare, and with that you develop a very good routine. But remember, just use a routine that works for you. This routine might be working for me and it won't totally work for you. So just get something that works for you, and you don't have to break a bank to have a clear skin. And that's it for this video, and this is how my skin is at the moment. I feel like my skin feels hot, and this is my skin is. And that's how to use Cerave hydrating cream to foam cleanser. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.